Oh, okay, we've got normal distribution, question number 2. And here it is. So we've got the masses, y grams, of a population of guinea pigs are modeled as a normal distribution. There it is there. So you've got your mean as 110 and your standard deviation as 5 or your variance as 5 squared. 2 questions then, you've got to find a few probabilities there. So jot them down, have a go, and we'll go through the answers in a couple of seconds. Okay, pal, it is solution time. So let's get through it. Now, first thing we should do is write down our distribution in a bit more detail here. We've got our mean as 110 and we've got our standard deviation as 5. So those are the key things that we need to solve this question. The next thing we should do, make a sketch. So we've got our bell-shaped curve, there it is. Our mean in the middle, and that's going to be 110 grams, there it is. And what are we looking for? We're looking for the probability that something is between 105 grams and 120. So 105 definitely on the left there, and 120 there on the right. So what we're looking for is essentially the area between these two bits over here. And so how are we going to find that? Well, pretty simple. We can just use our calculator again. So distribution is where we need to go. We need to go for the normal CD, there it is, and we got our lower and our upper again. So our lower is going to be 105 and our upper is going to be 120. And our standard deviation is 5 and our mean is 110. So there we go, there's all the info we need and there's our probability there. So what we'll say is the probability that x is greater than or equal to 105 or less than or equal to 120 is going to be 0. Let me write a few of these out here. 818, 5946, 141. So if we put that to 3 sig figs, we'll go with 819. And there we go. Now, part B. And I think part B is where we get our binomial distribution involved. So a very, very common question, right? After they do a normal distribution, they'll then ask you for something binomially related. So a sample of 30 guinea pigs is taken. Find the probability that at least 15 have a mass between 105 grams and 120 grams. And so there we go. We've already worked that out there. We worked out the probability of something being between 105 and 120 is actually 0.81859 blah, 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 blah. That over there. So let's write a binomial distribution now. So we're going to say this is binomially distributed where n is 30 and the probability is 81859464141. There we go. Bit of a long number, but we'll deal with it. And now we're looking for the probability that at least 15 have a mass between this, right? So at least 15. What is that? That's the probability that x is greater than or equal to 15. But how do we work that out? Well, we'll need to do 1, subtract the probability of everything up to and including 14. Okay, so make sure you've got that over there. Right, let's go. So we need our distribution, binomial CD, and we'll go for variable. We're going to put in 14 because we want everything up to and including 14. N is 30, so we've got 30 there. And then our probability is 0.2, we've got 81859464141. There we go. Okay, so that's all in there. And there's our probability. So we're going to need to do 1 minus 1.4759 times 10 to the minus 5. Goodness me. Okay, let's store that. So I'm going to store that as A. And then we're doing 1 minus that there. So 1, subtract whatever A was. And there, we've got it. So that's going to be 0. Oh my goodness, an awful lot of 9s there. But we've got 9999852 There we go. And that's it. There is our final answer. Okay, so that's the second normal distribution question done. Hopefully you've got that one correct. If not, hopefully you've actually picked up a few little tips there and how you can actually solve those using your calculator. Really important. Okay, good. So another normal distribution question coming real soon, so stay tuned and I'll see you in that video.